Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start in Settings because that's where control lives. First, check About Phone to know your Android version. This affects menu names. Once done, open Notifications or Apps. Make sure the device is unlocked and on Wi-Fi for updates. Tap Do Not Disturb to set a temporary quiet window, then glance at System App Permissions. You're taking the first real steps. Stop global noise with Do Not Disturb, then move straight into Per App controls so you don't miss essentials. Now dive into Apps and select the noisy app. You'll see toggles for sounds, pop-ups, and lock screen visibility. Turn off whatever disturbs you. For modern apps, open notification channels to silence only specific types, messages versus promotional alerts, so important alerts remain. Adjust priority or set to silent. Make sure to disable badges if the icon count stresses you. Once channels are set, repeat for the next app. This granular work cuts noise without losing critical notifications. Finish by reviewing battery optimization and background restrictions. Some apps re-enable themselves when aggressive power settings are applied, so make sure your changes persist. Update the app and system software, then restart the phone to apply all settings cleanly. If notifications still misbehave, clear the app cache or reset notification preferences for that app. You can also uninstall and reinstall as a last resort. If a single app remains stubborn, contact the developer or check for known bugs before drastic measures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.